I'm going to show you how to set up your Codex API key. So the first thing you'll need to do is basically get your API key from OpenAI's developer portal by going to platform.openai.com and then API keys, and then just create a new key. You can watch the previous video for more details. Now, once you have the key and you've copied it, you can basically close this, and then you will need to store the key as an environment variable. You can name it, for example, OpenAI API key, so that any OpenAI based tool, including Codex, can read it securely. To do that, you will need to right click on the start button here, and then you want to type, can go to settings or open up the start menu and then type environment for easy access, edit the system environment variables. Now you want to click on environment variables here, and then under system variables group, you want to click on new, and you can name this, for example, OpenAI underscore API key. And for the variable value, you want to paste your API key. So for example, something like this, and then press OK, then press OK again. Now you can close out of this. Now in your project, you can basically run the PowerShell, hold down Shift, right click and open up the PowerShell. And if you run the following command, which is echo $env and then OpenAI API key, you should see the key you've added to the environment variables, which is this one here. You can also set it from the terminal or the PowerShell by running the following command: setx OpenAI API key, which is the key we've added to environment variables. And then you can set a new key, for example, like this, press enter. Now, if you echo it again, it should print the new value. Now, if it still shows the old value, you will need to reopen the PowerShell. You can open it up again, and if you echo the new value, it should print out the value you've set earlier. Now you can simply start using your API key with Codex. So you can simply open up your VS Code or any other IDE that you might be using, and you can access it like this. So if you import OpenAI and OS, you can simply type os.environment and then the name of the environment variable, and this will bring up the API key stored in your environment. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.